Okay, hi guys. Here we are with science experiments. We got our baking soda and vinegar chemical reaction happening. So we're gonna start off by pouring just a little baking soda in each tube of coal. Just a little bit in each one. Okay. That one can get a little more. Pour as we go too. And we're going to use some food coloring just to make it more exciting for the children. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Who wouldn't want to see colorful bubbles, explosions? So we're going to take a couple drops, drop. Couple blue. Aaliyah, do you want to do the green? Step right up. Be careful. Then drop it. Green. Okay.
I want to pink. I want to pink.
And I think this is our purple.
I want to start with my purple.
Put the purple in. Ready? Drop. Okay, that's enough. Okay. And we have our 3. We don't even need to mix it for real. We can mix it a little later.
Mommy,
So we have our distilled vinegar. I'm just going to pour it in a glass just for easier to pour, especially when working with a toddler with antsy hands. And we're going to find out when we mix this vinegar together, the hydrogen ions in the vinegar will react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in a baking soda. So as we start to mix and you guys start seeing the colors, we are now starting to create a new reaction. 2 new chemicals called carbonic acid and sodium acetate. How cool is that? It's so pretty.
That is pretty.
It's very pretty. Now we can take our stirrer. We can stir it at the bottom. Give it a little swirl. Okay, I got it, Leah. Sometimes you gotta have an adult help, so I'm gonna do that. Stir. I got it. Whoa, Leah. Here, stir it. Stir. Stir. All right. Okay, I'm gonna pour just a little more vinegar in here. You guys kind of see how this is two-tone in the blue because we put more baking soda, and the vinegar has yet to hit the one at the bottom. But as soon as we started to stir, the color starts changing darker. It's really pretty. Let's see if we add more vinegar, if it will do anything else. Just bubble up any more vinegar. Let's try one more time. And I think that is all, folks. And this is our science experiment with baking soda and vinegar. And yeah. Let's see. Just wow. Whoa. Yes, the overflow. This is why we do it on a flat surface with easy wipe up, just for, things in this nature. So there we have it. The baking soda and vinegar science experiment.